Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news the steady rise in the US economy continues. But investors seem ambivalent about the progress and are not convinced the inflationary pressures will last and result in higher interest rates. The US Fed has released its latest update of economic conditions across all its regions in its Beige Book. Their overall economy is said to be expanding at a faster rate than a month ago and now at a moderate pace. This was helped by increased vaccination rates and relaxed social distancing measures, while they also noted the adverse impacts of supply chain disruptions. Meanwhile, Fed speakers are floating the idea that tapering is on its agenda. In China, hopes that iron ore prices will trend lower seem to be in vain. Coal prices are staying high as well, and there's new demand for thermal coal there. This is China's rainy season, and flooding is severe in many parts, especially in the Yangtze and Pearl River basins. The Australian GDP result for the first quarter of 2021 was a good one. Their economy is transitioning strongly from recovery to expansion, supported by still high levels of fiscal and monetary stimulus. GDP is now 1.1% above pre-pandemic levels. And the Victorian lockdown has been extended for another week, and now risks are growing in southern coastal New South Wales. The OECD is reporting that inflation amongst its members jumped to 3.3% in April, and that's its highest rate since 2008. And the US Treasury 10-year yield starts today down 3 basis points at 1.59%, as the 10-year break-even rate, a key measure of inflation expectations, has slipped in recent days, stirring debate over whether it has finally peaked after this year's near-relentless climb. The price of gold starts today at $1,908 an ounce, a rise of $6 from this time yesterday. And oil prices start today up another $1 at just on $68.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just on $71 a barrel, and that's a 2-year high. And the Kiwi dollar opens today at 72.3 US cents, another small softening overnight. Against the Australian dollar, we're down to 93.3 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're slightly softer too at 59.2 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at 73.8. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.